In this video, I'll be visiting Alaska, specifically the town of North Pole. Here, we'll be paying a special visit to Santa Claus House, with the added chance of meeting Santa himself. Inside, we'll take a look at his holiday inventory and embrace the magic of the season. So hold on tight and prepare yourselves to enjoy the festive environment of a year-round winter wonderland. All around this place, you can pick up gifts and souvenirs of almost any kind. And during your visit to North Pole, Alaska, don't pass up the opportunity to try some of that amazing fudge and candy as well. After filling up on holiday treats, you can peek through these windows and check out Santa's workshop to see exactly how he prepares to deliver all those toys to the good girls and boys around the world. You may even find out which list you're on as you come face to face with, you guessed it, Jolly St. Nick. Now, of course, you would expect a town like North Pole, Alaska to have one of the best places on Earth to explore an inside forest of decorative evergreens. Almost any size, shape, color, style, and theme can be found here. In fact, there are so many inspiring versions that it may be hard to decide which one is your favorite. Santa definitely provides an interesting array guaranteed to boost your holiday spirits. And yeah, I must admit, I did find this gumdrop tree to be especially intriguing. Hold on now, we're not done just yet. There is much more Alaska to see, and in upcoming videos, I will be taking on the last frontier in search of wildlife, exploring city streets for places of historic significance, and museums galore. Yes, there is interesting stuff all around, so stay tuned as I continue to travel the world.